Although everyone is exposed to countless marketing messages daily, marketing is an abstract concept. In short, marketing is the identification of a potential customer or prospect and converting that identification into a relationship where there is an exchange of value. In business, this is typically exchanging money for a good or service, like your product. Ideally, your customers will become advocates for your brand, which leads to organic growth by bringing new customers into this value exchange. If marketing sounds a little bit like dating for business, you wouldn't be wrong. Weeding out the best potential prospects from a broad pool and deepening relationships to the point where you find the one or many customers to focus your time and energy on is not unlike dating. And when dating advances to courtship, or marketing advances to converting prospects to customers, each of you exchanges value to grow the relationship. Together, you are more than the sum of your individual parts. Yeah, marketing sounds a lot like dating. If we expand this dating analogy further, singles or prospects have many options and can be overwhelmed by choice. And the digital world has only accelerated this trend. Customers are becoming savvy at filtering and blocking unwanted stimuli and only focusing on what brings value to the problems they are facing. If you put yourself in the shoes of your customer and adopt a customer-centric view, you learn to see the world from their angle, which enables you to maximize resources. We also introduced the idea of the evoked set. The evoked set is the part of your brain occupied by brand identities. And when marketing is effective, your brand surfaces to the consciousness of a prospect or customer when they're exposed to a stimulus. For example, when someone says coffee shop, what comes to mind? Likely Tim Hortons, or Starbucks, or Second Cup, or blends. Now let's try that again with fast food. Chances are McDonald's, Wendy's, A&W, Taco Bell, or any number of other brands come to mind. The point of the evoked set is to be the first or most strongly emergent brand to surface in the mind of your target market. As you define your marketing strategy, there are tools that optimize the consciousness you occupy in your target market. We call these the 4 Ps. Product, which is your offering in the form of something tangible or service. Place, which is where you need to be to get your product to a customer. Price, what your product costs and how your customer responds to that price. And finally, promotion, creating the communication and messaging to develop awareness. Now that the stage is set, let's explore these concepts further.